Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today I'm going to show you what 888Sports is and how to use the 888Sport app step by step. Let's get started. 888Sport is a popular online sports betting platform where you can place bets on a wide variety of sports like football, basketball, tennis, horse racing and more. It is available for both iOS and Android. It allows you to check odds, place bets and track your winnings directly from your phone. Now to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't, and you'll need to sign up for an account. Click on join now, fill in your personal details, create a username and password and verify your account. Now to place bets, you need to deposit funds. Go to the deposit section, choose your preferred payment method like credit card, debit card or e-wallet, enter the amount and confirm. Now to place your first bet, browse the sports list at the bottom of your screen. Right from here, then select the sport and match you're interested in. Tap on the odds for the outcome you want to bet on. Enter your stake in the betting slip, double check your selection and tap on place bet. Now to track your bets, go to the my bet section. Here you can see all your open and settled bets, your wins and losses. You can even cash out early on some bets if you want to secure profits or minimize losses. And that is how you can use the 888Sport app. It is fast, simple and a fun way to get into sports betting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye.